Want to simplify each of the following. So if we're adding, we can only add things that are the same. So 4x and a 5x, you've 9x's. Here we have 4 of these and 2 of these, so we've got 6 of them. Plus another a, there's nothing I can do about that. Remember, when I'm adding in algebra, they have to be the same in order for me to add them. We have a 5a, and we're up 8 a's after that. So 5 a's and 8 a's is 13 a's. You have a 10b and you lose, so that's important. Remember, I can have money written down or whatever, but I need to know if I'm up that money or down that money. So I'm up or down this amount. Make sure you check that out. So I've got 10 B's and I lose 2 of them. I've got 8 B's. I'm still up 8 B's. And the last bit here, I have an 8x and I subtract 10x. So that gives me a minus 2x. I'm up 3x squareds and I add another 2 of those. I have 5 of them. So just remember, when we're adding and subtracting in algebra, we can only add and subtract things that are the same. Now if we go to multiplying, we have 6 times 5 times x, or 6 times 5x. Well, we can just go 6 times 5 times x. Well, what's 6 times 5? You did that in primary school, it's 30 times x. So you could have that written as 30 times x, but we get very lazy and we often just write it as 30x. Here we have 4 times 3, which is 12. So I would have gotten some marks for that, hopefully. And you have y by y, which gives me y squared. Remember, if you have 3 by 3, a fast way of saying that is 3 squared. 5 by 5, a fast way of saying that is 5 squared. So if you have y by y, a fast way of saying that is y squared. Here we could, these are getting a bit longer now, so we could try and use our box method or the array method from before. So if I have 5a and I have 2a minus 1, we could try and work out the area of this box here. So 5 times 2 is 10. A times a is a squared. And then a 5a times a 1 is a 5a. So anything times 1 is itself. So 10 times 1 is 10. 100 times 1 is 100. 5a times 1 is 5a. But it's 5a times minus 1, which gives me minus 5a. So that's 10a squared minus 5a. Are you able to subtract things that are different in algebra? No, we're not able to do that. We can only add and subtract things that are the same. Okay, here we just need a bigger box, because we have maybe x plus a 1 here and x plus a 4 here. And let's find the area of this box here. X by x, x squared. X by 1 is a 1x. This one here, it's 4 by x, which is a 4x. And this one here is a 4 by 1, which is a 4. Now, is there any simpler way of saying x squared plus 1x plus 4x plus 4? Yep, x squared plus 1x plus 4x. Well, they're the same, so I can add them. I have 5 x's plus 4. This one here, I have 2y plus a 1 and y minus 4. So that's 2y times a y. So y by y, y squared. So that's 2y squared. Here I have a y times a 1, which is a 1y, or just a y. I have a 2y times a 4, that's 8y, but 2y times a minus 4 is a minus 8y. And minus 4 times a 1, well, 4 times 1 is 4, minus 4 times a 1 is minus 4. Is there any simpler way of saying that? A 2y squared plus a y, so I'm up a y and I lose 8 of them. Yeah, they're the same. So if I'm trying to add and subtract them, so that's 2y squared minus 7y minus 4. And then I'll have a look at this one with E individually, I think. Hardest one in the test. So we'll work on that individually.